Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent the installation of removable devices on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you want to disable the inability for users to use plug-and-play devices such as your keyboard, mouse, or other devices and just have them automatically download and install drivers, if you want to just turn that off, I'm going to show you guys how to disable that installation process. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match, come back to registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, and recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward, and now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for policies. Should be a Microsoft folder under here, so go ahead and double click on that. Locate Windows, so go ahead and double click on that. Device install. If you do not see a folder in here named device install, we're going to have to go ahead and create it. So right click on the Windows folder, select new, and then select key. Name this key device install, exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. And now we're going to right click on this folder again if we had it to create it. If you didn't have to create it, you just would double click on it and locate a folder that says restrictions. But since we don't even have the device install folder in here to begin with and we just had to create it, we're going to have to create that folder as well. So right click on the device install folder, select new, and then key. Call this key restrictions and hit enter. You can notice our file path up at the top of the screen here as well. Each backslash is a different subfolder or key that we've gone under up to this point. So now on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area. Now that since we're under restrictions, again, you want to be under restrictions. And then on the right side, right click in a blank area, select new, and select the word 32-bit value. Name this value deny removable devices, exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, deny removable devices, hit enter. Default value should be 0. If for some reason this was already in here and you didn't have to create these folders and they already were here, and you see a value in here that said deny removable devices, you go ahead and double click on it and make sure value data is set to 0, exactly how you see it on my screen. Base should be hexadecimal. Not that it would matter for a value of 0, but anyway, go ahead and select OK. And now that you've done that, go ahead and restart your computer for the change to take effect. And if you want to undo that down the road, you just would delete that D word value we created, or you could also delete that sub key that we created as well. But pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.